This tutorial will show you how to customize the output screen to your corporate design. Open screen.votegoat.eu if you haven't done yet. As you can see, the mouse cursor is hidden. Right-click on any spot and the menu will appear. The screen is divided into different segments. The question, the scrolling text area for answers, the bar chart area, the word cloud area, and your own background image. Choose a tab to change settings. With your mouse, you can move areas and resize them. We'll start by adding a new background. Go to Background and select a file. This might take a while. Select an image from your computer that will become the background of your screen. You can choose JPEG, PNG, GIF and BMP files with a maximum of 15 megabytes. We advise to use an image in the same resolution and aspect ratio as your projector or screen. Select Upload to send the image to the server and see it as a background. Now you can position all areas to fit to your corporate design. You can change fonts, sizes, colors and thickness of all segments and show some test content. Always save your settings if everything is in place. Close the menu and you are ready to go. Press F11 to go full screen if you haven't done yet. When you use an external screen or video projector, you can set your computer to extended desktop, just like you do for PowerPoint, for example. Right-click on an empty spot on the Windows desktop. Choose Screen Resolution or Screen Settings and change Multiple Display to Extend these displays. If necessary, adjust the resolution of your screen. Drag your web browser to the projector or second screen and press F11 to enter full screen mode.